If you see PC in your exercises, this means we are targeting the exercise tempo of 15x0 or 10x5, depending on the exercise. PC stands for pause contraction. We are looking to hold the contraction of the movement for 5 seconds. Why could PC mean two different tempo schemes? Let's take a look at the barbell hip thrust, where the pause contraction of 5 seconds is after the concentric phase. Now let's look at the 30-degree barbell press. The pause contraction of 5 seconds is after the eccentric phase in this exercise. Due to this, make sure to watch each tutorial closely to make sure you're pausing at the correct position for each exercise. Let's look a little closer at the barbell PC hip thrust. The eccentric portion of the exercise is 1 second. You do not pause after the eccentric portion of the exercise. Then the concentric portion of the exercise is performed in a rapid or explosive manner. Pause at the top for 5 seconds and then repeat the exercise. What is the purpose of the pause contraction tempo scheme? There is a lot of value in holding a position during an exercise, which is why the isometric tempo scheme is also valuable. This is an isometric scheme with repetition to challenge if the trainee is able to return to the same position. The more time you spend in a particular position, the muscles involved in stabilizing the body in a particular position will strengthen. More specifically, all the muscles involved in the position must strengthen to their respective muscle length position to the exercise. This tempo benefits stability, muscular endurance, and sometimes mobility. For intermediate trainees, pause concentric is valuable in challenging weak positions or enhancing recruitment of specific muscle fibers. Trainees often do not pause at the end of each repetition after the eccentric or concentric phase, or they don't train that particular position enough. Having the trainee focus on the contraction is a good way in strengthening the end ranges in these exercises and the muscles involved in them. Often during exercises, trainees are the weakest in their end ranges. This tempo scheme forces them to confront that weakness head on.